Summary: use macOS built-in storage recommendations for policy level. Offloading iCloud, automatic trash, optimize TV and awareness, and use CleanMyMac for faster, deeper, on-click cleanup, targeted removals, and convenience tools, Space Lens, uninstaller, duplicate finder. Combine them like this: 1 one-time setup, do in this order, 1 backup, time machine or clone, open system settings, 大于 general, 大于 storage. Enable any Apple recommendations you want store in iCloud. Empty trash automatically. Optimize storage for TV. 1 run. CleanMyMac Space Lens and large old files to find big local files. Remove or move to cloud or external as needed. 2 monthly maintenance. Routine. Weekly. Let macOS handle store in iCloud or optimize storage. Clear trash automatically. Monthly. Run CleanMyMac Smart Care. Cleanup, scan, review, then clean to remove caches, leftovers, mail, attachments, and duplicates. Use uninstaller for app leftovers and updater to remove old app versions. 3 when you need targeted action. Low free space. Run CleanMyMac large old files. Offload to external drive or cloud. Don't delete without backup. Use Space Lens to prioritize folders by size. App problems. Use CleanMyMac uninstaller. Reset removes leftover list files. Potential malware or adware. Run CleanMyMac protection scan, then follow with a dedicated AV if infection persists. 4 cloud sync considerations. Use macOS storage settings for iCloud. Desktop documents offloading. Use CleanMyMac's cloud cleanup only as a convenience overview. It may not show native cloud docs or all services. Review cloud deletions carefully. 5 safety tips. Always review CleanMyMac scan results before deleting. Keep a current backup. CleanMyMac is notarized and effective for junk removal, but not a full AV substitute. Quick decision guide. Want simplicity and a single monthly action. Enable macOS recommendations plus run CleanMyMac Smart Care. Want fine-grained control or auditing before changes. Prefer macOS manual. File review plus use individual CleanMyMac tools. Space Lens. Large old files, uninstaller, duplicates as needed.